In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving sets for your JAMB Maths. Alright, we are going to practice with two repeated questions. These are questions I've often seen for this topic. Alright, so let's get started. The first question I have here says, the Venn diagram above shows a class of 40 students with the games they play. How many of the students play 2 games only? Alright, so from this Venn diagram we have here, it's actually easy to decode the answer to this question. Alright, so we have from the Venn diagram, the value 5 is for the number of students playing football and tennis. So we have football plus tennis to be 5 students. Then we have the number 7 to be the value of students playing football and athletics. So we have football plus athletics to be 7, and again we have the number of students playing tennis and athletics to be 3. So we have tennis plus athletics to be what? 3. We are almost done. It says how many of the students play 2 games only. So we have gotten the number of students that are playing 2 games only from the Venn diagram. Let's sum this. So this will give you, we have 5 plus 3 to be 8. 8 plus 7 will give you 15. So we have the correct option, this question, to be what? Option C, 15. So it's as simple as this. Let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question. Okay, so let's wipe this. Alright, now note how deep in this question asked how many of the students play the 3 games. It would have been 4 because 4 is the middle value. But since it didn't ask us such question, so the answer is not 4. Had it been they ask you, in case they twist it for you, if they ask for the 3 games, the answer will be the middle value, which in this case is 4 for the middle value. Alright, so let's go to the next question. So this is the next question. It says 4 members of a school first 11 cricket team are also members of the first 14 rugby team. How many boys play for at least one of the 2 teams? Alright, so you begin by saying for the cricket team only, it will give you, so cricket team only will give you, you subtract 4 from 11. When you do it, you're going to have 7. Then for the rugby team only, it will be subtract 4 from 14, will give you 10. So now get at least one of the teams. Alright, one of the 2 teams, it will give you 10 plus 7. This is how you do it: 10 plus 7, then plus the 4 you subtracted from the both teams. When you sum these, you're going to have an output of 21, and this will give you how many boys that play for at least one of the 2 teams. Alright, so the correct option is option B. It's as simple as this. This basically can do problems involving this kind of sets for your JAMB Maths. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of my videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. You may have a fear for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Alright, now click on the end screen above, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.